Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. First, go to the top left of your Google Docs, click on Insert, then hover over Drawing and click on New. You will see a pop-up window appear. Now go to the top of that window and click on the text box button. Then click, hold and drag to draw the text box. Inside it, you can type whatever you want. Next, you can customize it by going to the top menu. For example, you can fill it with color or add a border weight, which is basically an outline. When you are finished, click on Save and Close. To move it around, click on the text box, then click on the three dots for image option. Select all image option. Go to text wrapping and choose wrap text. Now you can drag it to wherever you want on the page. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.